Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I'm going to make some guacamole dip. So we're going to start out with some onions, garlic, lemon, roll your lemon really good, make it soft, and tomatoes. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is to cut up some onions. Now the onions are going to go into the processor. So I can cut these across the onion this way so that they come out in chevrons because they're going to get chopped anyway. Across, just like that. Next, some garlic. Garlic can really be tough sometimes to get that paper off. Sometimes it doesn't want to cooperate. Other times it comes off. So here's the paper. I have my scraper handy. Guess I don't need one. Okay, let's do another garlic. That one's all trimmed already. Paper off. Some more paper. That's what's nice about using the food processors. You can just coarse chop everything. Now the tomatoes are hard to cut. So it's nice to use the food processor for the tomatoes. Maybe a couple more. I like tomatoes. And also too, when your tomatoes start to get old, you're better off to make things like stews and things that are done with a processor. So you start to use up your soft, mushy tomatoes. So I have that. Now I'm going to put some olive oil in here. By the way, the measurements and the quantities of things, I'm making it based on just for myself. But if you would like to see the ingredients list, I have the complete ingredients list over at the website, jamestdds.blogspot.com. And also, go ahead and click on the subscribe button now so you see all my videos, and hit that bell button so when I drop a new video, you'll get notified. So let's go ahead and let's run the food processor now and get this stuff kind of has a safety on it. There you go, get to click in place. Okay, now that I have everything kind of mushed, it's time to do the avocado. So take the avocado with the top and bottom, cut around the outside, roll it around, comes apart like that, hit the center knot, give it a turn. It comes out, and it's slippery. It's hard to get out. There you go. Now, you can scoop this out with a spoon. If you were going to serve these, you'd want to just peel the backs off them. But because they're going to go inside here, I'm just going to go ahead and scoop them out. You just sweep around the bottom, just like that. Pinch those. Let's do it again. And if there's any bad spot in here, which there is on this avocado, I'm just not sweeping it. I just left it kind of cut around it. And I'm just breaking up the avocado a little bit. Now, avocado and apples have this thing that they like to do, where as soon as they sense air, they like to go ahead and brown up. So that's why you want to put some lime juice in. And you just roll your limes, get them all nice and soft so that they're nice and juicy. Cut it in half. and then hold it up in the air so that the seeds don't go in. Squeeze it like this. You know, when you do like apples, you're going to be amazed. I'm going to show you that next. How an apple won't brown up when you put lime juice on it. So let's go ahead and let's put this in here and let's get this chopping. There's your guacamole. The trick when you're serving up apples, avocados, you use lemon or lime and you squeeze it on top, you spritz it, and then it doesn't turn brown. There's a quick tip for you. All right, let's go ahead and give this a taste. This is good. We should make some guacamole.